This is 7 National News, and in our top story. The UAE Vice President, Prime Minister and ruler of Dubai, His Highness Sheikh Mohammed bin Rashid Al Maktoum, has launched UAE Sukia, UAE Water Aid campaign, to provide access to fresh drinking water for 5 million people around the world who suffer from shortage of clean water. According to statistics by international organizations, more than 880 million people around the world lack clean drinking water, and 3.6 million people, 90% of whom are under the age of 5, die every year due to thirst and diseases caused by unclean water. The campaign, which will start at the beginning of Ramadan, will involve digging wells and providing water pumps to provide areas in need with water purification equipment. The ruler of Dubai was quoted as saying that we are determined to plant a seed of goodness in every place around the world, inspired by the legacy of the late Sheikh Zayed bin Sultan Al Nahyan and the UAE as a capital of humanitarian activities, adding that Emiratis are always there to extend a helping hand to the needy worldwide. His Highness launched the campaign as he chaired the first meeting of the organising committee of the UAE Water Aid campaign in the presence of the Dubai Deputy Ruler Sheikh Maktoum bin Mohammed bin Rashid Al Maktoum. Sheikh Mohammed instructed the organisers of the campaign to provide clean water to the most needy areas in coordination with international organisations as well as with the Emirates Red Crescent and UAE embassies. And the UAE Vice President, Prime Minister and ruler of Dubai, His Highness Sheikh Mohammed bin Rashid Al Maktoum, has endorsed the 5th phase of Jumeirah Beach Hotel expansion plan, which is set for completion in 2018. The project will see the addition of an ultra-luxury resort to the existing Jumeirah Beach Hotel, which will comprise 350 hotel rooms with panoramic beachfront views of Burj Al Arab, a dedicated new beach offering private beach experiences, recreational marine facilities, a world-class sports complex, and a range of ocean-facing retail and food and beverage outlets. Additionally, the new resort will see an extensive expansion of the existing yacht marina, doubling its current capacity. Her Excellency Sheikha Lubna Al Qasimi, the UAE Minister of International Cooperation and Development, has paid an official visit to Jordan's Zatri refugee camp, home to some 90,000 Syrian refugees. As part of the visit, Her Excellency officially opened the camp's main primary healthcare facility, supported by the Big Heart campaign for Syrian refugee children. Sheikha Lubna toured the clinic and received a thorough briefing from UNHCR and the Jordan Health Aid Society, UNHCR's principal health partner. Receiving around 500 to 600 patients per day, the clinic is currently operating 7 days a week and provides services including primary, mental and reproductive health, as well as rehabilitation, nutrition, management of non-communicable chronic diseases, and referral services for secondary and tertiary cases. During the visit, Sheikha Lubna expressed deep appreciation, gratitude and praise to Her Highness Sheikha Jawahar bint Mohammed Al Qasimi, wife of His Highness the ruler of Sharjah, and UNHCR eminent advocate for refugee children, for her extraordinary efforts to support refugees. The Big Heart campaign's support towards the health clinic came as part of a $5 million donation to support UNHCR's efforts in the health sector in Jordan, as directed by Her Highness Sheikha Jawahar bint Mohammed Al Qasimi. There are currently around 600,000 Syrian refugees registered with UNHCR in Jordan. Dubai Police launched its anti-begging campaign 3 weeks before Ramadan and have already caught beggars. The anti-begging campaign, under the title Battle Begging, aims to rid the city of beggars for the security and safety of residents and visitors. Colonel Mohammed Rashid bin Sarai Al-Muhairi, Director of Tourist Police Department, said even before Ramadan, they are already seeing beggars who are looking to profit from the generosity of unsuspecting people. He said during the holy month they expect beggars to frequent hotspots, including major shopping malls, petrol stations, JBR, knife souk, gold souk and many more. He said they will deploy law enforcers in strategic areas while encouraging the public to be vigilant and cooperative. Residents may call the dedicated toll-free number 800-243 to report any illegal solicitation. The campaign includes a comprehensive awareness program to continue after Eid al-Fitr. According to Colonel Al-Muhairi, the cooperation from the public was a major contributor to their success last year, which resulted in the arrest of 157 beggars, who were comprised of 122 men and 31 women, along with 4 children. This year, from the 15th till the 21st of June, they have already arrested 21 men, 5 women and 2 children who were found begging in various areas of the city.
Past 2 years we have concentrated too much in the city, and we got reports outside the city on the areas around the cities. So this is where they will concentrate more in GBR. Most the most biggest attraction shopping malls, and I don't want to name the malls, but we are cooperating with the malls this year and with the security of the malls. And if they can hear me now, they can call us on either 999 or 800-243, and we have somebody in their malls where we will push him to communicate with those people and try to solve this beginning. We don't need the beginning issue to come more bigger and bigger.
Dubai Customs officers at Dubai International Terminal 3 have foiled an attempt to smuggle 24 kilograms of heroin into the country. The illegal drugs were concealed in secret pockets at the bottom of baggage suitcases belonging to an Asian passenger who was coming from his home country and works as a salesman in Dubai. Sultan bin Sulayem, the chairman of Ports, Customs and Free Zone Corporation, hailed the efforts of customs officers in deterring this huge quantity of narcotics and stated that the operation reflects Dubai Customs' commitment to firmly stand against all bids to illicitly import toxic contraband into the UAE, which jeopardizes the safety and well-being of local community. The Roads and Transit Authority has announced timing for public transport over the holy month of Ramadan. Ghubayba, the main intercity bus station, will operate from round the clock, and subsidiary stations at Union Square, Sabha, Dera City Centre and Karama will start services at 5:30 a.m. and run to midnight. City bus services will be provided throughout the week, and the main stations at the Gold Souk and Ghubayba will be open from 5:10 a.m. until 11:50 p.m. Stations at Al Qusais, Satwa and Al Quz will operate from 5:30 a.m. to 11:45 p.m., while Jabal Ali station will be open from 6 a.m. to 9:30 p.m. Times for metro feeder stations such as Rashidiyya, Mall of the Emirates, Ibn Battuta, Burj Khalifa and Etisalat are 5:15 a.m. to 12:15 a.m. External stations at Sharjah will also run 24 hours, while the Abu Dhabi station operates from 5 a.m. to 11:55 p.m. Times for Hatta station are 5:30 a.m. to 9:30 p.m. and Fujairah station from 5:50 a.m. until 9 p.m. Ajman station will be open from 5:30 a.m. to 9 p.m. In Dubai, the Metro Red Line will run from 5:30 a.m. to 1 a.m. on Thursday and 1 p.m. to 1 a.m. on Friday. From Saturday to Wednesday, the trains will operate from 5:30 a.m. to midnight. On the Green Line, stations will be open from 5:50 a.m. to midnight. Saturday to Wednesday and Thursday from 5:50 a.m. to 1 a.m. On Friday, the hours are 1 p.m. to 1 a.m. Paid parking will apply in all car parks coded A and B except the Fish Market, Telecom Zone and Knowledge Village from Saturday to Thursday from 8 a.m. to 1 p.m. and from 7 p.m. to midnight. Parking fees will be activated in the Fish Market car parks coded E throughout the week from 8 a.m. to 1 p.m. and from 4 p.m. to 11 p.m. Telecom and Knowledge Village parking coded E will be for a fee from 8 a.m. to 6 p.m. from Saturday to Thursday. Fees will be in place in multi-level parking at all hours. The water bus at the Dubai Creek station will operate from 8 a.m. to midnight and at 4 p.m., 8 p.m. and midnight from Marina Mall station. At Ghubayba and Festival City, the times are 4 p.m. to midnight. And finally, the Dubai ferry from the Marina Mall is operational from 11 a.m. to 5 p.m. and again at 6:30 p.m. with Ghubayba station operating at 11 a.m. And finally in the bulletin, Esmod Dubai has once more proven the superiority of its fashion training methodology, as earlier this week saw an unforgettable fashion show revealing designs from 15 of the Institute's students. The authentic runway atmosphere combined both excitement and, of course, stress as future graduates presented their collections while taking members of the jury through their creative personal universe. The 3 years fashion design and pattern making program was marked by an amazing and memorable fashion show at Wafi Mall. The show opening was attributed to 2 Esmod alumni designers, Kanela Hostal and Kashish Dang. Both designers showcased their latest collection where feminine silks and cuts were the highlights. Meanwhile, the second-year students showed their technical maturity and confidence with their handmade tailored jackets and trench coats. However, the spotlight was definitely on the graduating students who showcased their collections, which was produced on a 1-year research concept.